Join me as I dive deep into the mysteries of the dark side of the moon and uncover secrets that are just waiting to be revealed. The dark side of the moon is a concept that has fascinated people for decades. It's a place that we've all heard of, but few of us really know much about. For many, it's a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that there's much to discover about our universe. The biggest misconceptions about the dark side of the moon is that it's dark, but that's not true. The far side of the moon, as it's officially known, gets just as much sunlight as the near side. The moon is tidally locked to the Earth, that it takes the moon the same amount of time to rotate on its axis to our planet. Another misconception is that the far side was only recently discovered. In reality, the Soviet Union's Luna 3 spacecraft captured the first images of the far side back in 1959. The far side is mysterious. Part of the reason is that it's much more rugged and mountainous than the near side. In fact, the far side has one of the largest and oldest craters in the solar system, the South Pole Aitken Basin. And because the far side is facing away from us, it's much harder to study. The far side is also home to some of the most extreme temperatures in the solar system. Because it never experiences a sunrise or sunset, the temperatures can range from -243 degrees Celsius to 127 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most inhospitable environments in the universe. The far side is its geological features. The entire side is covered in craters, which were formed by asteroid and comet impacts. The far side is the Mare Australe, with significant features of a vast dark plain that covers nearly a quarter of the moon's surface. It's thought to have been formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, which poured out vast amounts of lava onto the surface. And because the lava was so hot, it completely melted the underlying rock, creating a smooth, flat surface. But that's starting to change, with new missions like the Chinese Space Agency's Change 4, which landed on the far side in 2019, and with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin to send missions to the moon, something that challenges everything we thought we knew about the moon and its place in the solar system. In 2019, a team of scientists made a groundbreaking discovery that could change views about the moon forever. The team discovered a massive deposit of water ice buried deep beneath the surface of the far side. It's a game changer, because it means that future human missions to the moon could potentially use ice as fuel and oxygen. In conclusion, the dark side of the moon, it's a fascinating and complex world that's still waiting to be fully explored. From its rugged terrain to its extreme temperatures, and from its ancient craters to its hidden water ice. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the dark side of the moon. If you've got any thoughts or questions about what we've discussed today, be sure to leave them in the comments below.